So there are a lot of these issues which we have taken up with we have a body called All India Petrol Dealers Association, which is a federation which is at Delhi, and they have been meeting the ministry, they have been meeting the oil companies, they have been meeting the Honorable Minister, and every time they have been postponing this. A small increase was given in the margin of 10 paise and 8 paise, petrol 10 paise and diesel 8 paise somewhere on 15th of, which is very insufficient, whereas our demand was for almost 1 rupee. Last 2 years our commission or margin has not been increased at all. There is a background to this. We as a dealers always were asking for margin. So government and oil companies set up a committee, and there was a one-man committee called Apurva Chandra committee, who was given a good formula which was agreed by our federation, our association, all India, everybody agreed. The government agreed to it but did not give us commission by that formula. This formula was accepted in 2011, but they are not paying us as per that. Our last revision was in 2014. For last 2 years, no increase. And you will also understand that in last 2 years, what are the other increases? The wages have gone up. The electricity power tariff has gone up. There are several, I mean, if we name anything that it is going up. It is not coming down. But our margins are not being increased to the same extent that we are asking for. So we have decided to go a phase-wise protest. It's a symbolic protest, till actually we come to a position of standstill, that when we will probably say we will not even buy anything. Why is this being done? Because all these phases that you just now told me, we are trying to reduce our costs. In the present cost, we cannot be expected to keep our petrol pump open 24 hours. We can't be expected to keep it open 7 days a week. Whereas when the bankers went on a strike, they have been allotted 2 extra holidays now, Saturday, second Saturday and fourth Saturdays. Why can't petrol pumps be closed like this? We are spending a lot of money, but we are not being paid commensurating the efforts that we are putting. We are not receiving the margin. So all these issues are there, and that is why this is a protest. After this 15 minutes stoppage, then there will be a curtailing of time. So again our cost will be saved. Then we will be putting off lights of that huge signboards that we show. Then we are thinking of second and fourth Saturday to be off. Then we will stop purchase for 1 day. Then we will stop purchase and sale. So these are phase-wise. We hope the better sense will prevail, and government authorities or the oil company authorities will come and talk to our federation and see how best we can come somewhere, because this has been pending for last several years. This is the only way to bring attention of all these authorities concerned in this, and that is why it is going. There will be a little inconvenience cost to customers, but we will see how best we can minimize it.